I'm Steve from Buyers Products. Today we're going over how to mount the new SnowDogg MDII and VMDII snowplows. These plows feature the new RapidLink Attachment System. It's our easiest, fastest mounting process yet. Before mounting your plow, make sure the plow's pins are fully retracted. The foot pedal should be pushed towards your vehicle. Start by turning on your plow controller, then press the down button and hold it for 1 second until the dog head on top of the controller turns blue. Press and hold for 1 more second until the dog head begins flashing red. This means your plow is in mount mode. Slowly drive forward into the plow's mounting brackets until the push bar makes full contact on both sides. Once you're in position, hop out of your truck and go to the driver's side of the plow. Hook up the hydraulic and electrical plugs on the back of the lift frame to their corresponding connectors on your truck. Check to make sure if the height of the receiver notch on your snowplow is properly aligned with the push bar on your truck. It should look like this. If the receiver notch is too low, back up your truck 6 to 12 inches so that the plow has room to rise. Push the jack switch on the back of the plow up to raise the lift frame until it's at the correct mounting height. If the receiver notch is too high, press the jack switch down to lower the lift frame into position. Then press down on the lift chain until the lift cylinder is fully retracted. You need slack in the chain to mount your plow. Pull the foot pedal away from your truck to engage the lock pins. Then push the center of the light tower towards your truck to lock the pins in position. The pin should fully extend through the push bar ears and be visible on both sides. Insert the snapper pin to keep the foot pedal in place. If the snapper pin can't be inserted, make sure the lock pins are fully extended and visible on both sides of the plow. If this isn't the case, you may need to recheck your alignment. All that's left to do is raise the drop foot. Pull back on the handle on the side of the plow, then lift the drop foot up to its highest position. Release the handle to lock it in place. And that's it, you're mounted up and ready to go. Thanks for checking out how to use the new RapidLink Attachment System, available now on SnowDogg MDII and VMDII snowplows from Buyers Products.